Hi, my name is Julie Clark. I'm a registered nurse. I am currently studying for my BSN at Galen College of Nursing, and I hold an ADN. I'm here to talk to you about why nursing is a great career choice. There are a number of reasons, one being steady industry growth. The employment for registered nurses in the United States is expected to grow 9% from 2020 to 2030. And this is according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics 2021. There's a current shortage of nurses globally as well. It is predicted that 11 million additional nurses will be needed to prevent further shortage in the United States alone. There are also a variety of work environments for nurses. There are over 100 plus opportunities and specialties for nurses. Opportunities can include procedural nursing, operating room, clinics, doctor's offices, public health, and informatics, and these are just to name a few. Many nurses choose to further their education and become advanced practice registered nurses, such as CRNAs, which are certified registered nurse anesthetists, nurse practitioners, or midwives. Furthering your education, there are also opportunities available in management and health administration. Another reason that a lot of people go into nursing is for the pay. Registered nurse pay, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, reports their median pay for registered nurses in 2020 as $75,330 a year, or an average of around $36 per hour. Now, this is an average of all 50 states, and each state has a different median pay range. These rates also vary by what specialty, your years of experience, and your education. There are many different education levels of registered nurses. Also, most institutions offer yearly merit increases and bonuses. In addition to your compensation, there are many workplace benefits offered to registered nurses. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics Employer Benefits Survey, nurses rank #1 for access to childcare, paid family leave, and employee wellness benefits for 2021. Usual benefits such as health insurance, PTO or paid time off, and sick leave are offered. This survey reports 28% of nurses receive childcare or childcare benefits. 81% have employee wellness programs. 36% have paid family leave, with 90% having retirement benefits. Many hospitals also offer tuition assistance and student loan reimbursement programs. In addition to pay, benefits, compensation, and the steady industry growth, nurses also make a difference. Being a nurse can be very rewarding. In an essay published by Beverly Mueller, Nursing Makes a Difference, she describes the feeling of being a nurse. After 20 years, I still get a rush when I make a difference in a patient's life. For example, after a congestive heart failure patient receives oxygen, morphine, and diuretics, and can finally speak a full sentence. When I care for a child with croup and they start to breathe without difficulty, and I see the parent's look of extreme gratitude. When an acute MI patient goes to the brink of death and we bring him back to see his wife, children, and grandchildren again. So with all of these reasons, what are you waiting for? Join one of the world's most well-respected professions today. Thank you.